Kingspark, NY Pressure Washing. If you're looking for professional pressure washing services in Kingspark, New York, this video will help you evaluate experts, what separates the top pros from the rest, and what to watch out for before hiring a contractor. Need fast, reliable service in Kingspark? Benny's Property Services understands your busy schedule. We offer flexible appointments and free quotes, ensuring prompt attention to your property's needs. No job is too small or complex for our dedicated team. Your satisfaction is our priority. We transform Kingspark homes, safely removing black and green stains from siding, patios, and decks. Our meticulous service restores curb appeal and protects property value, guaranteeing results you'll love every time. As a proud local company, our roots are deep in Kingspark. We serve every corner of the community, committed to enhancing properties across the area. From roofs to fences, our comprehensive cleaning solutions are tailored for local needs. We understand Kingspark's unique climate and environmental challenges. Our specialized soft washing process, using low pressure and advanced cleaning solutions, is perfectly adapted to clean vinyl siding and asphalt roofs without damage. Years of industry experience guide our every action. We employ a specialized cleaning solution mixed with a foaming additive, ensuring it clings longer to vertical and angled surfaces. This delivers a deeper, more even clean, reflecting our commitment to excellence. Our highly trained team brings precision and care to every project. We expertly apply our formula, specifically targeting parasitic dirt and grime. This advanced approach ensures your home is spotless, while keeping nearby plants and landscaping completely safe. Superior results begin with premium materials. Our carefully selected cleaning solutions and specialized equipment ensure optimal effectiveness. We restore your property's pristine appearance, delivering a lasting clean that enhances curb appeal and protects your investment foe. Every project is unique, but customers who understand how pressure washing experts operate in Kingspark, New York, tend to have better experiences and results. If you're looking for the right pressure washing specialist in Kingspark, NY, bennyspropertyservices.com can help you based on your specific needs. Click the link below to learn more